What's up, everyone? In this video, I want to walk you through a trade I took on Tesla today, give you the reasoning behind the level and how I managed my trade. But before I get started, as always, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get right into this Tesla trade. First, I want to point out I've taken 4 trades this week. One on Monday, one on Tuesday, one on Wednesday, and one today. So one good trade a day, that's all we need, right? So let's talk about this level. Same level I gave everyone on my pre-market live I do on Instagram every single morning. You can really see it on this 4-hour time frame. I said I want to test puts from 214.26 to 215 area. So we came up. I said, okay, I'm entering Tesla puts here. Gave them my trade ideal in the admin trading floor at Team Bull. We got in. I took the 210 puts. They were super cheap. They looked really good, had good spreads. Now, let's back up just a second. I want to talk about why I took this. Because you can see here, if you can see my level, we come down, broke it, came back up into this zone, fell back down, right? So my thoughts was, as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, we had formed support, right? Then we broke down here. Okay, what used to be support has now turned resistance, right? And from what I can see here, that's your supply zone on the 4-hour. Let's take a look at the hourly, see what we can see. Now you can see it there as well. It's a nice hourly resistance at this point. Exactly what I want to see. But another thing I want to point out on the 4-hour is I love this type of trade. I like these big moves down like you see here. A quick breakdown. What happens, there's going to be orders left unfilled. And a lot of times it will come back up and retest that area, which happens to be, in this case, happens to be supply and resistance. Okay. So came back up, retested, we got inputs. Let's look at the 5 minutes so we can break this trade down a little more. And actually, let me add in my studies here so we can talk about the price targets we had. So we got inputs right here. I think we caught nearly the top of this. So we had a nice push down, right? My ideal price target was this prior day close, what we closed at the day before. And I told everyone, I said, I want to hold part of my position. I want these puts to get in the money. We got in and it immediately did what we wanted. Nice push down, trim one more time before we got in the money. But we pushed down. The contract premiums absolutely exploded on this. This was not your typical day trader, at least mine. I got in. I wasn't super heavy in this trade. I had a light size because when I trade individuals, typically I do trade lighter than when I'm trading SPY or something, especially Tesla. Tesla and Nvidia, stocks like that can get away from you quickly. Worked out beautifully. Literally caught nearly the bottom in this, at this time before we had a nice pump back up. And then we sold off again. But anyways, quick announcement for those that are still around. Team Bull has went private. So if you was looking to join Team Bull trading community, now you have to join a waiting list. So I'll leave the link in the description for the waiting list for those that want to get in at a later date. Be sure you get on there if you're even considering it. If you have any questions about this trade, reach out to me. And if you aren't, join my Instagram live every morning. I spend the first 30 minutes answering questions, providing free education. Then after that, we create a watch list, get our game plan together. That way, when the market opens, we are not guessing. We know exactly how we're going to handle these levels, what we're looking for, what we're expecting, the big moves to come into play. But I like to keep these recaps short. That's all I have for this video. If you like it, if you haven't already, please hit that thumbs up button. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.